A while ago, Erica Liboro was reporting about the goal of Adamson University to make it back to the Final Four this year. This team actually has not missed the Final Four since season 67. So, with Coach Mami Dulce at the helm, this team has made it to the Final Four for 6 straight seasons.
They've been one of, the tough teams that we have here in the UAAP. So far, they still haven't had the championship, but one thing's for sure, all of the teams that they've competed with, nahirapan sa kanila because of their very scrappy defense.
Adamson University still looking for their first ever women's volleyball crown. Henito finding an open spot on the floor of Adamson University, something Coach Pante will not be happy about.
Serving for the Lady Maroons.
Nobody home on that rally.
Outside shot by Pineda.
Pineda had the right thing in mind, but again, if you're aiming for that down-the-line attack, there's your attack should be very precise. Otherwise, there's a big chance for it to go beyond the line.
Pineda again. Magtalas goes left. Makatuno goes back to Sheila Pineda.
Down the line.
My oh my, has she improved? This is her 3rd season for Adamson University. No players graduating on their side.
Oh, miscommunication there on the part of UP.
This is the rookie setter, Magtalas. Now, initially, the UP squad started off with Joyce Palad as their setter in the first 3 games. And then they had that long 8-day break. When they came back, Coach Jarrod Hubalde installed Magtalas as the new setter.
But they also have another setter in the lineup, actually. And that's Del Mundo, Ana Maria Del Mundo.
Del Mundo is actually their real setter from last season. But then, according to Coach Jarrod, she had some health issues and was only able to come back in their last game. Let's listen in on this huddle.
UP 11.
Okay, kasi masyado ka ng malayo. Okay? Pag nakita mo, pag natama ka sa push, umabot ka nun sa bola, pwede mong ihabol yun. Pero kung hinahabol mo yung bola sa harap para mag-quick, mahirap. Okay? Kung naabutan mo siya, tuloy mo. Pero kung hindi, open agad. Okay? Ang kailangan mangyayari kasi, nangyayari, isa pang problema, no? Pagka paano sila sa open, ang nangyayari, masyadong outside, down the line. Kailangan mangyayari is cover up mo down the line. Open nila kasi, yun, matulong ka sa down the line. Ha, yan lang yan.
UP! Coach Jarrod there giving specific instructions to Magtalas. Just some tips on when and when not to execute plays. We'll see if she will be able to adjust. Which is right, no? Because for quick plays, you have to have a good reception.
Magtalas goes to the middle. Henito had a difficult time there.
That was actually too low.
12-7 in favor of Adamson University, looking to pull away early on here against UP. So far, UP has only won 2 sets, all in all, here in season 74. And those were first set victories against UST and UE in the first round. That's a point for Adamson there, pounding it off the block. Ana Del Mundo showing up in her 2nd appearance here in UAAP season 74.
3-point for UP.
That's a service error. Del Mundo also came off the bench in their last game against UE.
Calvin Ramos with a good serve.
Scores the name.
Very sharp one.
Calvin Ramos, we've seen in the past few games, has had quite a consistent serve. A lot of times also scoring some some points there.
In fact, Southland Ramos had 3 service aces in their last game against UE. As a team, UP had a total of 9 service aces.
Pineda. Down
And
the line.
Pineda just attacking the defense of UP from the back row. Lady Maroons unable to handle that one.
Sheila Pineda for Adamson.
Another service error on the part of the Lady Falcons. So they're allowing UP to stay within striking distance.
Pao Henido serving for the Lady Maroons.
Henido always with that positive demeanor on the volleyball court. But Makatuno surprises the UP defense there.
To 10.
3
May
attackers
Makatuno
here for
Adamson.
Makatuno in the front line.
Let's see if she can take advantage of that. Makatuno sets way left to Zapanta. Henido able to keep that one
Zapanta from
alive, but it was too strong. Adamson University still looking good. They are up by 6.